Guten Tag. You asked, what is German engineering? It's me. Well, I was made in Germany. Everyone knows Germans craft brilliant and efficient machines. At Bosch, appliances are built with this precision German engineering to deliver quality, substance, and excellent performance. We aren't afraid of the exacting work it takes to produce elegant, stylish products with the most advanced technology. At Bosch, quality is distinguished by innovation, power, and attention to detail. Our engineers strive to deliver efficiency without compromising performance. We have developed breakthrough innovation to meet this goal. German engineering informs everything we do, because at our core, Bosch is a company of German engineers. And that's why, from cooking to cleaning to preserving, our commitment is literally built into everything we do. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and head into our kitchen laboratory for some hands-on experience. These will really bring to life the German engineering behind our most beloved appliances.